Hadn't touched this thing yet. Already messed with the top one. The bolt's in there. Where's it at? It's in there. And it's tight to the finger. But it sure wasn't tight to the wrench. Hadn't messed with this one yet. I'm gonna push it back. I didn't have to push it. Didn't even have to hardly push it. So now I know what happened to the bolt on the caliper on the passenger side. That's the driver's side. So I guess they did take the calipers off to change the tie rods. Still puzzles me. Calipers back here. Tie rod's way up there. All they had to do was push that pin out of the bottom. This bolt, loosen that nut, and you get that pin out through the bottom. Unless it was so tight they had to maybe take the whole hub assembly off. I didn't have to do that when I changed it. I was able to get it out.